I'm Sherelle Smith, editor-in-chief of Laptop Mag, and yes, in my real life, I am a glasses wearer. I do not typically wear glasses out in public because I've had to wear glasses since I was 8 years old, and nerdiness, and dorkiness, and vanity, all those things. I would wear these glasses outside though. I would wear them in public, I would wear them in a plane, I would wear them on a train, green eggs and ham and all that good stuff. These are the latest smart glasses from a collaboration between Meta and Ray-Ban, and I'm really excited because this is my first time actually playing with some smart glasses, so let's talk about it. As you can see, these are very stylish. They are coming in two iterations, so you can have the classic Wayfarer and the new headliner. I'm going to go with the headliner because I like the rounded lenses, the rounded frames. They give me a cat eye kind of feel, and I'm digging it. So let's take a tour. You can get up to 150 combinations of lenses and frames. These are the transparent ones, which are very cool, so you can kind of see the inner workings. So let's start with the Hawkeye speaker. I'm really impressed by this because I was wearing it at 50% and nobody could hear what I was listening to. It was very clear, and these are new and improved from the original smart glasses with 50% more volume and an octave lower of bass. So you're going to really feel that knock, but it's not going to be so obnoxious that the person next to you is going to be like, hey, what are you doing? We've got 5 mics placed throughout the glasses, which really does well for video capture, which I will come to in a few minutes. And I'm really impressed with the video capture because I actually took some, and it was clear, it was crisp, there was no lag, there was image stabilization. In terms of what you can expect from the resolution, it'll be, for video, it'll be a little less than 1080p or a little bit more depending on how much you're moving and what you're doing. In terms of stills, like you're gonna get like a 12 megapixel still, and it's gonna be in a 4:3 aspect ratio. What I really like about these, they're really, really light, they're really comfortable. I could wear these like regular glasses for a long time. And lest we forget this, the charging case looks like a regular glasses case, leather. You've got the traditional Ray-Ban logo on the outside, little Ray-Ban and Meta action on the interior, and here is where it charges, and you've got a USB-C port right there. In terms of battery life, you can expect about 36 hours of battery life, so that's not too shabby. What's really cool about these, well, there's a lot of things that are cool about this, that you can, in addition to capturing stills and video, you can send them with the voice command, and using AI, it will learn who you're sending to and how you're sending. So like if say I wanted to send it to my boyfriend, we usually talk through Instagram, so hey, send to my boyfriend, it'll ask, do you want to send through Instagram? I'll click yes, and that's what's going to happen. The other really cool thing, which I think content creators will really appreciate, is that you can do lives with these glasses. So you go to your app interface, like the glasses will connect, like, so if you're doing an Instagram live, if you're doing a Facebook live, click it twice, do the long hold, you'll hear a notification that will say, hey, if you want to live stream, click it twice, and you're off to the races. It'll show everything that you are seeing, and you can flip it to see what the phone is seeing. So it's a really cool way to capture content. And if you are capturing said content, like what'll happen is you'll see a bright LED, so people in the vicinity will know that you're capturing content, and if they don't want to be in the shot, to leave. So that cuts down on the creep factor immensely. So these will be available in October for a surprisingly low price. Meta is not going to gouge your pockets. It's going to be the same $299 that the original smart glasses were priced at. So this is a really quick look at the smart glasses. Stay tuned for this and everything else from Meta Connect. I'm Sherelle Smith for Laptop Mag.